Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Make sure your Chromebook runs Chrome OS 88 or newer, or has the latest Chrome browser. Sign into your Microsoft account and confirm you have Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. This is required for cloud access. Once done, pair a supported Bluetooth controller or prepare keyboard mapping for games that allow it. Then, open the Google Play Store or Chrome browser. You're ready to launch the Xbox Cloud app or website and begin. You now install and configure. If your Chromebook supports Android apps, install the Xbox Game Pass app from the Play Store. Otherwise, open Chrome and go to Xbox.com/play. Sign in, grant permissions for controller and network access, and allow any storage or microphone prompts if asked. Next, pick the closest server region for lower latency and run a short stream test to check bitrate and resolution. Make sure your Wi-Fi is 5 GHz. You finish by launching a cloud title and immediately tweak controller mapping and display settings for comfort. This reduces input lag and improves visuals. If you see stuttering, switch to wired Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi, close background tabs and apps, and lower stream resolution to stabilize frame rate. One key troubleshooting tip. If streaming still fails, clear your browser cache or reinstall the Xbox app. Then restart the Chromebook. This often resolves authentication and connectivity glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.